Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver. Under the hood's a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch twin 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. On the inside, we've got a gray MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming along back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, keyless entry, heated seats, memory seats, a nice brushed aluminum trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, a nice gloss black center console, dual climate controls, radio, our command center for our multimedia system. This C-Class has 18,412 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.